What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And guys, I've been on YouTube for about a year. I think we can be honest with each other. Today, I did think about this video, but honestly, I had trouble thinking about what to cook for dinner. So this is a quick, easy meal in the power pressure cooker. We're gonna do grape jelly meatballs, but we're gonna do it over rice. I know you guys have had it for appetizers at parties or Super Bowl parties or whatever, but we're gonna make a meal out of it, guys. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. Let's get started with some grape jelly meatballs. Guys, so as always, I'll start with my supporting cast. This is probably going to be the least amount of items that I'm going to use in the recipe ever. And if you guys have been with me a while, you notice that there's no pink Himalayan sea salt here. Not needed for this recipe. So I don't use it for everything, but very few. I'm cheating. I'm using some meatballs that are pre-made, frozen meatballs. This is a 64-ounce bag. You can get whatever bag you want. I mean, that suffices for us. I got some sriracha sauce. I like to use the Heinz chili sauce. And then I got my Welch's grape jelly. I'm going to use probably about 16 ounces of this. Probably use the whole jar. This is 18 ounces. That's close enough for me. So that's all there is for the ingredients, guys. It's real simple. First thing I'm going to start with is half a cup of just regular old water. Pour that right in. On top of that, I'm going to pour in my meatballs. There we go. Meatballs are in. Real simple. Next thing we're going to add, I'm going to throw in a splash of sriracha sauce. There we go. A little bit more. And then we're going to add our Heinz chili sauce. And I'm going to use the whole bottle here. The whole bottle of Heinz chili. You guys can use whatever chili sauce you want. I just happen to like that brand. So I'm not advocating any brand or whatsoever, but I tend to like that one. And last but not least, our grape jelly. And again, you can use whatever brand you want to use. But I'm using Welch's today. And it calls for a cup, but I'm going to use this whole jar. You can use as much or as little as you like. It just depends on how sweet you want it to be. There we go. Our grape jelly's in there. The next part is what you guys always do. It's real simple. We're going to put the lid on. We're going to line the little arrows up, the line and the arrow up, so we can get pressure. This recipe really only takes between 5 and 7 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the meat chicken button, increment it to high, and I'm going to go to my default of 15 minutes. I'll be back in between 5 and 7 minutes. That's all it's going to require for the meatballs. I'll be back in just a second, but it's really going to be about 5 or 7 minutes. So there you go. It doesn't get any easier than that. So 5 minutes, actually this is 6.5 minutes in the pressure cooker on high heat. I'm going to go ahead and put this over some rice and present it to you guys. It doesn't get any easier, any quicker than that. This is probably the quickest meal I've ever made. So just some grape jelly meatballs over some rice, a little side of green beans. It's not an appetizer anymore. Really the quickest power pressure cooker meal I've ever done. Some grape jelly meatballs with some green beans over some rice. I'm gonna take a little bite. Like I said, if you run out of time, buy the frozen meatballs. I didn't have much time tonight, so this is where, I had to cheat a little bit. But it's really, really good. If you have time, make your own meatballs. But if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video, guys. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.